Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will help you increase gamma in Minecraft. First, you'll need to find your Minecraft application folder. On your Mac, open Finder, then click Go in the menu bar and select Go to Folder. Type /library/application support/ and hit Enter. Inside, locate the Minecraft folder. This is where we'll find the specific file we need to edit. Once you've opened the options, TXT file with a text editor, scroll down or use the search function to find the line that says Gamma 1.0. This is the default brightness setting. To dramatically increase your gamma, change 1.0 to 1000.0. Make sure to save the file before closing it. Now, when you launch Minecraft, you'll notice a much brighter world, even in dark caves. For a less extreme but still effective brightness boost, you can use Minecraft's in-game settings. Simply launch the game, go to Options, then Video Settings. Here, you'll find a brightness slider. You can move this slider from Moody, which is the darkest, all the way to Bright, which offers a noticeable increase in visibility. This is a great option if you want a quick adjustment without editing game files. After making your changes, jump into a dark area in Minecraft, like a cave or a deep forest at night, to test the new gamma. If 1000.0 is too bright, you can try values like 500.0 or 750.0. You can also combine the options. TXT edit with the in-game brightness slider for perfect customization. Enjoy exploring your world with enhanced visibility.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.